So I can say where they're doing construction here on this road, the ride is actually a lot better than most cars are going through all those potholes and stuff. So I'm very impressed by that. And I really like how the heads-up display is really right in front of me. It feels like it's in my face without being in my line of vision. But I have it in the Sport S Plus mode now. So I'm going to put it in the manual mode and just see how it handles with that twin turbo. Shifts are okay, not as fast as I would like, but of course it's no dual clutch, it's just a regular 10-speed automatic, but I feel like GM's is faster. Just in the vehicles I've been in, specifically in the Cadillacs. But the overall ride of this is really, really impressive, and that is really nice. Ride's got to be a 9.5 out of 10. Even with these bigger wheels in the F Sport. And the crazy thing is you can tow 8,000 pounds with this while being as comfortable as can be. Now I will say, like most Lexuses, I don't really appreciate all this going on here. But most Lexus customers, I shouldn't say most, a lot of the Lexus customers like to keep their Lexus from brand new till the wheels fall off, literally. So once you get used to that, I'm sure it's fine. It's really cool, the system, like being able to toggle your fan speed there and seeing kind of what mode you're in when driving. But it's just really, really cumbersome when you're just getting in it. But really like the power that this gives you. Like I said, the 10-speed doesn't shift that well in the Sport S Plus mode, but it's still quick. And you do get auto stop, but this one the battery's still charging, so the auto stop's not coming on yet. So starting back in eco mode here, it's really, really refined being in this eco mode. And that's what's really, I mean, you're still gonna be thirsty, but it really does help you with your gas. Now I do like in the eco mode, when you put your foot into it, it's still not letting you floor it like it would in the Sport Plus mode, just keeping the revs high and all of that, but you're not feeling like you can't go like I've felt in some of the Infinitis and Toyotas when using their, or Infinitis and Nissans, excuse me, using their eco mode. It's kind of hard to get my thoughts straight being in this traffic. But all in all, really impressed with, of course, the interior, the luxury features, and really like how it drives with it being the big SUV from Lexus. And they did a really good job with this hood, how it kind of has a little gap in the middle there, so it's easy to see right in front of you. And then it's still sloped in front of you as you are driving down the road directly in front of you. So I like that. Wish the second row had a little bit more space, and a lot of that has to do with these seats having to be so big to do all that they need to do. So I wanted to show all of the settings here. Don't think I got into those, but there's that. Like I said, there's a lot that I missed doing this just because they're so, the Lexus specifically, one that stickers at 110 grand, there's a lot of stuff that you can learn, that you can customize, that you can configure. So I'm not gonna hit on all of that, but hopefully I hit for everybody all the important stuff. So of course, how to go through your drive modes, knowing all of those: Eco, Comfort, Normal, Sport, S Plus, Custom. There's just so much that you can fool with here. And then of course for your four-wheel drive, whether you're in the sand, whether you're climbing mountains, which most people with these LX600Fs, they're probably not gonna be doing that, but the third or fourth owner that's gonna put 300,000 miles on these probably will be doing that to the extreme. So it's nice to have that. But with all that being said, this is gonna bring me to the end of my review of the 2022 Lexus LX600 F Sport.